Hidden benefits of walking. What no one tells you, beyond exercise. 2.24. Ever felt guilty for just walking when your friends are hitting the gym hard? Well, today I'm about to flip your perspective completely. Walking isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's actually a powerful health intervention hiding in plain sight. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal how this simple activity you've been doing since childhood could be the key to transforming your physical and mental health. And trust me, some of these benefits shocked even me. Ready to discover why walking might be the most underrated superpower you already possess? 1. The surprising physical benefits beyond weight loss. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Walking isn't just a lighter version of running. It has unique benefits that even intense workouts don't offer. Did you know that just 30 minutes of walking daily can reduce your risk of heart disease by up to 19%? That's according to research published in the Harvard Health Journal. But here's what's really fascinating. Walking after meals can lower your blood sugar spikes by almost 30% compared to sitting still. This is huge for preventing diabetes and managing weight. Walking also strengthens your bones without the harsh. And here's something most people miss. Walking with proper posture actually works your core muscles, helping to strengthen your abs while you're simply strolling through the park. Have you ever noticed how your mood lifts after a walk? Well, there's a fascinating biological reason for that, which I'll explain next. 2. The mind-blowing mental health connection. The mental benefits of walking might actually outweigh the physical ones, and that's saying something. When you walk, your brain releases a potent cocktail of feel-good chemicals, including endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine. This is why a simple 10-minute walk can instantly boost your mood. But the long-term effects are even more impressive. Regular walkers experience up to 30% lower rates of depression and anxiety, according to a massive study tracking over 33,000 adults for 11 years. That's more effective than many medications, without the side effects. Walking in nature specifically amplifies these benefits. Japanese researchers. What's truly remarkable is how walking affects your brain structure. Regular walkers have larger hippocampi, the brain region responsible for memory, potentially reducing Alzheimer's risk by up to 54%. That's not a typo, 54%. But what if you're short on time? Is walking still worth it? The answer might surprise you when we look at the minimum effective dose. 3. The minimum effective dose. How much walking do you actually need? Good news for the busy folks. You don't need marathon walking sessions to reap major benefits. Research from the University of Cambridge found that just 20 minutes of walking per day cuts your risk of premature death by up to 30%. Here's where it gets interesting. Those 20 minutes don't even have to happen all at once. 3 7-minute walks throughout your day provide similar benefits to one 20-minute session. How manageable does that sound? The intensity matters less than you might think. A brisk pace. What about steps? While 10,000 steps became popular through a Japanese marketing campaign, not scientific research, studies show the biggest health improvements happen between 4,000 and 7,500 steps. Every additional 1,000 steps reduces mortality risk by approximately 10%. But walking isn't just about health. It can transform your creativity and productivity in ways you wouldn't expect. Let me show you how walking can literally make you smarter. 4. The creativity and productivity breakthrough. Did you know that Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, and Charles Dickens all conducted important meetings and did their best thinking while walking? There's science behind this. Stanford researchers found that creative thinking improves by an average of 60% when walking versus sitting. It works because walking puts your brain in a unique state, alert but relaxed. This combination is perfect for making new neural connections and solving problems. In fact, 81% of executives in a survey said their best ideas came while walking. The productivity boost extends beyond the walk itself. Regular walkers report 32% better focus during work hours and improved sleep quality, creating a positive cycle that enhances overall performance. But what if walking feels boring or you struggle to make it a habit? Let's explore how to transform walking from a chore into something you actually look forward to. I hope you're already feeling inspired to lace up those walking shoes. If you're enjoying these evidence-based insights about simple habits with powerful health benefits, make sure you hit that like button right now. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly videos on optimizing your health with science-backed strategies. Now let's continue with some practical ways to integrate more walking into even the busiest lifestyle. 5. Making walking enjoyable and sustainable. The best exercise is the one you'll actually do consistently. Here's how to make walking something you want to do rather than feel you should do. Try temptation bundling. Only listen to your favorite podcast or audiobook while walking. This creates a powerful association that makes you eager to get moving. My clients report this single trick increased their walking frequency by 74%. Walking doesn't have to mean the same boring route every day. Try destination walking, walking to a coffee shop, library, or scenic spot. This gives your walk purpose and makes it feel less like exercise. And don't underestimate the power of tracking. People who monitor their steps walk an average of 27% more than non-trackers. The visual progress is incredibly motivating. But what about comparing walking to other forms of exercise? Is it really worth your time? Let's look at the surprising data. 6. Walking versus other exercises, the unexpected comparison. When compared to high-intensity workouts, walking might seem inferior, but the data tells a different story. While running burns more calories per minute, walking actually burns more fat as a percentage of calories expended. During moderate walking, up to 85% of calories burned come from fat, compared to just 60% during intense exercise. The injury rates are dramatically different too. Runners experience injuries at a rate of 20 to 70% annually, while walkers have injury rates below 5%. This means walkers spend more time actually exercising rather than recovering. Perhaps most surprisingly, the accessibility factor cannot be overstated. While only 23% of adults meet the guidelines for strength and high-intensity exercise, over 65% could easily incorporate effective walking routines. It's truly the most democratic form of exercise. Now, let's talk about how to supercharge your walking routine to get even more benefits from every step. 7. Advanced walking strategies for maximum benefits. Ready to take your walking to the next level? Try interval walking, alternating between your normal pace and periods of faster walking. This simple change can increase calorie burn by up to 20% and improve cardiovascular fitness significantly. Adding hills or stairs multiplies the benefits. Walking uphill increases calorie burn by 60% compared to flat surfaces and engages your glutes and hamstrings much more effectively. Walking with weighted. Mindful walking, focusing on your breath, surroundings, and body sensations, transforms your walk into a moving meditation. Studies show this reduces stress hormones by an additional 18% compared to regular walking. And don't forget about posture. Walking tall with engaged core muscles, relaxed shoulders, and a slight forward lean not only prevents injury, but also works more muscle groups and improves your overall body alignment throughout the day. So there you have it. Walking truly is a miracle medicine that's free, available to almost everyone, and requires no special equipment. We've covered how it transforms your physical health, boosts mental well-being, enhances creativity, and can be easily incorporated into any lifestyle. What's your biggest takeaway? The physical benefits of walking or the mental health advantages? Let me know in the comments below. And I'd love to hear if there's any walking benefit I missed that you've personally experienced. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on simple, effective health strategies. Next week, I'll be sharing a complete guide on creating a relaxing bedtime routine for better sleep and health. You won't want to miss it.